Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show copy tables. Now firstly, insert from table. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click. Now click for table option. Now select from row and columns. Now move from table. Now resize your table. Now select from all table. Now going to the border menu option. Then click for all border. That is. Now select from table. Now keyboard press from Control Alt. Now mouse click in the move. That is. Now you can see copy table in Publisher. Now another process. Now click from a table. Now click for mouse right button option. Then click for copy option. Then again click for mouse right button. Then click for paste. That is. Then I show copy table in Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for